Hey everyone, it's Marty
and Larry.
We are here in Cabazon, California in a wonderfully cool 107-degree weather. Isn't it so cool?
It is a little cool.
Oh,
it's 107.
It is cool. Hey, have you ever wondered, what are those big dinosaurs on the side of the freeway? Well, we're here in Cabazon and we're gonna show you. I've actually never been here. Lived in California almost my whole life. You've been here before.
I've been here before, yeah.
I've never been here before. You can actually go inside the dinosaur. There's two dinosaurs. We have one brontosaurus and we have one T-Rex. Let's go inside and check it out. Hey, by the way, if you like travel, adventure, theme parks, all that cool sort of stuff that, you know, us adults and kids love to do just to stay fun, consider liking and subscribing to this video because we love to do fun, adventurous, crazy stuff like that. Isn't that right, Larry?
Oh, definitely. Always down to try something new.
All right, let's go inside and see what's inside of a dinosaur. All right, there you have it. The inside of a dinosaur, a gift shop. And as far as the T-Rex over here, I don't know, it's closed. And I think you have to buy tickets to get in that one anyways. But I'm assuming you could go to the top and just look out the T-Rex's mouth. And there's a couple other things back there, some smaller dinosaurs, a little walkway, but I do think that's a small charge. Like I said, didn't see anybody out there or back there, and the gate was locked anyway, so thoroughly not impressed. But if you want to come here for 5 or 10 minutes on the way to Palm Springs, hey, show the kids some dinosaurs. And hey, show the channel some love. Subscribe, like, share. And of course, I'll see you on the next adventure, which is coming up in just a couple moments. We're going up to the top of the Palm Springs Tramway. Come along with us. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.